Good morning, boys and girls.
Hi everyone, welcome to our new YouTube channel, There's No Place Like Home Learning. Hope you enjoy our morning report as much as we do. We absolutely love this part of the day. All 60 children get so excited when it's time. There's lots of really fun learning on there, lots of useful links. And so please sit back, enjoy and share our channel every morning.
This is the morning report. Gives you the long and the short. Every grunt, roar and snort.
Okay, we hope you had a super weekend. The day today is, who can tell me? Mrs. Tully.
I'm not saying a word.
It is Monday and the number is the 23rd of March. Shall we sing our Days of the Week song?
You can go first.
Okay, are you ready? Days of the week, shh, shh. Days of the week, shh, shh. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, shh, shh. There's Monday and there's Tuesday, there's Wednesday and there's Thursday, there's Friday and there's Saturday, and then there's Sunday too. Days of the week, shh, shh. Days of the week, shh, shh. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, shh, shh.
We do it a little bit different to that.
Go on then, Miss Tully.
Right, I'm going to sing my days of the week, okay? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, each day different and every day new. Boys and girls, can you remember how many days are there in each week? Did you guess it right? How many do you think Miss Holly said?
I think 10.
Uh-oh, someone tell Miss Holly said she's got it wrong. It's 7. Who can remember? This is another challenge and we're going to check who got it right tomorrow. Who knows how many months there are in every year? We'll come back to that one tomorrow. Okay, next slide, Miss Hollingshead.
Okie dokie.
Right, I'm going to give you all 10 seconds to run to your closest window and have a good look. What is the weather doing today? Go! Miss Hollingshead, can you count us?
I can. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Quick, come back. Right, what is the weather doing today? Tell a grown-up or one of your brothers and sisters next to you all about the weather. Have a think carefully about the words that we've learnt at school. Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it foggy? Is it damp? Is it cloudy? Is it misty? Have a good chat all about the weather.
Okay, it's super exciting because it's not winter anymore. It's our new season. Who remembers?
Is it summer?
It's not summer. Not yet.
Autumn?
It's not autumn. We've had that already.
Oh no.
It begins with
Spring.
It is. It's spring. Who remembers what happens in the spring?
Have a good think.
Are there leaves on the trees? Have a little look. If you've got a garden, have a look today and see what you can see. Can you see any signs of our season spring?
Okay, right, we're going to look at our phoneme of the day. Our phase 2 phoneme is S. Can you say S with me? Remember the snake in the grass? Are you ready? S. There's some nice little links at the bottom. There's the Jolly Phonics S link and there's the Alpha Blocks link. Right, for phase 3 today we've got J, J, J. Can you remember that jelly on a plate? J, 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 J. You can hear the Jelly on a Plate song in the Jolly Phonics, and again there's the J Alpha Blocks. Today I have a special challenge for you. I want you to go on an I Spy hunt around your house or in your garden, see how many S and J things you can find. Ask a grown-up to help. You could even draw pictures or write words of what you find. Good luck!
Who thinks they know our number of the week this week?
I know it.
What do you think, Miss Tully?
90.
It's not 90. It has got a 9.
91.
Oh, you're close. Flip your numbers around.
Oh,
1 comes first and then a 9.
I
It
just can't
comes
get
before number 20.
1 less than 20.
Remember to jump backwards, not forwards.
19. 19.
And number of the week is number 19. Mrs. Tully, do you think we can make it?
Yeah, let's try.
Okay, it's easy. All you have to do is 10 add 10.
Find someone to help you in the house. 10 add 10. 10, that's 20.
No, it's 19. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's 20.
Oh my goodness.
We
What should
need
do?
1 less, boys and girls.
1 less. Shall we blow 1 down?
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, 1 less than 20 is 19. But if I blow 1 down, how many do we have then? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
So 19 is 1 more than 18.
Our shape of the week this week is a 2D shape. That means that it is flat, okay? Now, what does it look like? What do you think, boys and girls?
Ooh, what can you see?
Can you describe it? Mrs. Tully, what do you think?
I can see 4 equal sides.
What does equal mean, Mrs. Tully?
They're all the same size. They are equal to each other. All the same. I can also see 4 pointy corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's it called?
That sounds like a square.
Oh, a square.
Can you see anything in your house that looks like a square?
Maybe they could go on a square hunt today.
That's a good idea.
Draw some square things. What
We're
do you
going
know?
on a square hunt. We're gonna catch a big one.
What can you see that is a square? Can you spot anything? Okay, friends, we have a new word of the week. The word of the week this week is season. Okay, can you say season? Great, well done. Okay, there are 4 seasons in every year. You'll see some pictures on your screen. When we started reception, we were in the season of autumn. That's when all the leaves fell off the trees. That's when we saw the hedgehogs and the squirrels and we went on the autumn walks and the weather started to get a little bit more chilly. Soon it became winter. That was over Christmas, and just until recently it was still winter. That's when we get lots of frosts. You might get the snow. It's super chilly. We have to wrap up warm, but we're so happy that we have a new season now. Our new season is the spring, and we've got some lovely season links and songs on the bottom for you to learn all about it. Go and talk to a grown-up all about what you might see in the spring.
Good morning. Our sign is house.
House.
Or home.
Home.
Let's try again. House
House.
or home.
Home.
Super. What other signs can you remember? Show you're grown up.
We like to make sure that we always think about our values and virtues. The value of the week is forgiveness. We're getting really good at saying sorry when we've done something wrong. But remember, if someone, for example, takes a toy from you and makes you feel a little bit upset, but then says, "I'm sorry, I didn't mean it," you must show your value of forgiveness and say, "Okay, that's fine, let's be friends." Why don't you have a little look at the angry bee and think about the value of forgiveness? Also, today, while you're at home, make sure you use all your other values, okay? Good luck.
I have got a super smelly story for you today, okay? So click on the link and you can listen to me reading Smelly Louie. Now, Smelly Louie does not use his value of cleanliness, okay? Make sure when you're watching, you are doing your good sitting, you're good looking, and you're good listening.
Right guys, we've got a super new fun slide for you. This is our physical and well-being page. Miss Hicks is making this for us. We'll see if she can do a video one of the days, but for today we're just going to talk about Miss Hicks's new slide. Right, I'm going to start off by talking about the well-being. Now, when we're at school, we're always encouraging you to do these things, and this is what I want you to carry on at home to be super healthy. Make sure you drink plenty of water, okay? You can have a little bit of squash in it if you want, not too strong. Milk is also good for you, but try not to drink fizzy pop. It's a little bit bad for our teeth and makes us a bit unhealthy. Let's see if you can eat some fruit today and try and eat some healthy food. Mrs. Tolly and Miss Hollinshead and Miss Hicks and all our team always say you can have a little treat, but make sure you don't have too much, okay, because it's bad for you. Now, what I'm going to be asking you today as well is to remember our special hand washing. Right, we're going to have a little practice. We don't want to sing happy birthday because we're getting a little bit tired of it. So today, Miss Hollinshead's going to count to 20 and Mrs. Tolly's going to show you your good hand washing, okay? Off we go.
Okay.
Right, I'm going to put some water on my hands. Off you go, Miss Hollinshead.
1,
Squirt a little bit of soap.
2,
and start
3,
to rub. Palms
4,
together to start.
5,
Now the backs of
6,
our hands.
7,
Good.
8,
In between those fingers.
9, 10,
And those thumbs.
11,
Twist those thumbs.
12, 13,
Right, now our wrists.
14,
Wrists.
15,
And our next wrist.
16,
Now get your nails.
17,
Scratch your nails.
18,
Next nails. Rinse
19,
water. Quick, quick, quick. And dry.
20.
You could try counting to 20 today, or maybe if you're super clever, you could count backwards from 20 all the way to 0. Right, Miss Hollinshead's got something really fun for you now.
Okay, your PE activity today is spelling your name out with activities, okay? So let's think of a name. Or what name should we have?
Jack.
Okay, let's have Jack. Oh, how do we spell Jack?
J-A-K.
What kind of J?
Oh, I think it's a capital J. J.
Capital J, a J. Okay, so I'm going to look for a J on my big list. Also, a J says 30-second high knees, okay? So you do that first and then you find your A. And you need to do 5 jumping jacks. And then you have K. So you need to do 10 jumps as high as you can. And then kicking K. Kick your left foot as high as you can, okay? Now, if you've got a really long name, you might need an adult to help you, okay? But everyone else, have a little look. I'm sure you can do it.
I think all the grown-ups could join in too.
I think so too.
Right, before we give you your work tasks for today, Mrs. Tolly's just going to run through a few literacy top tips. Okay, we're getting super good with our writing now, but there's things that we need to remember. Ask a grown-up to read all the top tips to you, but I'm just going to talk to you now about what you need to remember at home, okay? Remember, when we are writing our sentences, we always start with a capital letter. We have a finger space in between every word. If you've got a lollipop stick or a straw at home, you could always use that as a finger spacer. Make sure you always end your sentence with a full stop.
And don't forget to read it again.
back. Make sure it makes sense. If your sentence does not make sense, it's not a real sentence. So get your rubber and start again. Okay? Right, Miss Hollinshead's got a little rhyme to help you remember with your pencil grip and control. Off you go.
Point your pen away from you. Pinch it near the tip. Lift it off the table. Flip it round and grip.
Grip. We'll put some links on to help you with that. Okay, you've got a really fun writing task today. You need to go and find your favourite toy, bring it to the table, and you need to write in your special wonderful writing book, you need to write all about your favourite toy. Ask a grown-up to have a look at all the different groups, and then you need to decide which group best fits you. Okay, good luck, happy writing.
Okay friends, before you start your maths task today, have a go at counting in 2s and 5s and 10s, and then your task is to say one more than. Okay, should we do an example, Mrs. Tolley?
Yeah, off you go.
Okay, Mrs. Tolley, if I had 3 chocolate bars and you gave me one more,
Okay.
how many would I have?
So 3 chocolate bars, 1 more than 3 is 4.
Super. You can use your fingers, or you can use toys, or you could even have a go at drawing it. And when you've worked out the answer, see if you can write it in a number sentence. If we are adding more, do we need to use our add sign or our take away sign? What do you think, Mrs. Tolley?
Oh, more. That means you're jumping up the number line and it's getting bigger. I think add.
Super. So I need to see lots of adding number sentences.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone. You've done brilliant listening. I saw some really good sitting and some good looking. Excellent job. Have a lovely day. Be good, listen to your grown-up and stay safe.
Don't forget, ask your mummies or your daddies or your adults to subscribe to There's No Place Like Home Learning.
See you all tomorrow.
Bye.